Labour forecasting allows you to enter your predicted revenue and set what percentage you'd like to spend on wages. To set this up, go to your settings via the cog icon and select Budgets and Forecasting from the menu on the left. Scroll down to find the week you'd like to enter figures for. You can then enter your estimated weekly revenue and it will be divided by 7, populating each day of the week with how much you are estimated to take each day. Next, enter what percentage of this you'd like to spend on wages for each day. If you have days when you predict you will take more or less revenue, you can manually change just that day and your weekly total will update. Once you've added your figures, you can go to your rotas page and toggle your labour forecasting view on and off here. When the view is enabled, you can see if you're over or under your predicted spend as you add, amend, or delete your shifts. The percentage figure will show in red if you've overspent or green if you're under. You can also come back and enter your actual revenue figures for each day to see if you've stayed within your estimated target.